Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is Tuesday, August the 29th, 2023. Just doing a real estate tap in with you for today. It looks like, from a housing perspective, that things are still going well. Um, the prices of homes are kind of flattening out, but that they're still up somewhat, maybe flattening out in most areas. Obviously, it's depending on where you live. But the reason that I bring that up is that could cause the Fed to increase rates when they meet in September. If they still are seeing, that people are, spending money and inflation is not coming down as rapidly as they'd like. Housing, is not, slowing or coming down. That could cause them to increase rates, which will have an effect, obviously on the real estate market. So, we'll have to see, how this all plays out. But, it'll be interesting to see what happens, because what I think may happen is that they may kind of force some more layoffs in order to kind of get where they want to get to in terms of the inflation number. They're trying to get to a 2% number, at least that's what they're saying publicly. So, they may do things to essentially that will, have people potentially being laid off and things like that to continue to slow down this economy. So, there'll be possibly some pain in the real estate market, just depending on the individual and where you're at and where you live and everything like that. But I think next month is going to be very key to what the end of the year is going to look like going into 2024. So we need to kind of keep our eye on that. And I think the jobs created missed by a significant margin. They had estimated it would have been over, I think, 9 million, and it was around I think they were looking at 9.5 million, and it looks like it came in at 8.8 million. So that's a pretty big difference. So, things are going to have to slow, and there's a lag effect to some of this stuff as well. So, when things actually happen, you don't see the effects maybe until 6 months later or something like that, or even later than that. So, but if you are under the impression that real estate prices will come down, you have to ask yourself, are you protected in whatever real estate investments that you have? How are you protected against, possibly, coming down in terms of the value of your property? Because like I said, we've been going up. Now it seems like we're like this, and then obviously, when you start going like this, the next thing is that it could possibly go down. So, are you protected against that? There's a lot more competition coming to the market in terms of rentals. There are a lot of units being built. So it's something to, definitely consider and think about and see where you are positioned. Again, this is, why we like real estate note investing, because as the bank, you're just, collecting payments. And because you buy at a discount, you can withstand a 10, 15, 20%, up to about a 30% decline in value and still be in a good position based on your investment. Not everybody who's invested in real estate can absorb, that type of potential downturn. So, again, if you want to learn more about notes, just go to my YouTube channel, Abundant Capital Group. Series of videos there. Kind of go through the whole thing. We've been going through week by week too, breaking it down. I think we're on like the 7th training on notes. So you can go there and watch those. Or you can jump on with me at 12:30 today, Eastern Standard Time, on my YouTube, on the Instagram page, Abundant Capital Group. And then tonight we'll be going live at 8:30. Again, taking questions and also looking at actual note deals and real estate deals that are out there, and kind of just show how we look to put things together. So no matter what side you're looking to get into real estate, we can possibly work with you and see if we're a good fit. So join me at 8:30 on YouTube channel, Abundant Capital Group. I'll also be live on the Instagram at that time too. So check in with me. If you have any questions, do your due diligence, look into real estate notes, see how they work. If you have questions, please bring your questions. I'd like to get them answered for you. But now is the time where private money needs to come into the market. As this shift occurs, it's been a bull market for a long time and it is shifting. And this is where private money can take advantage of the opportunities. Okay? Talk to you soon, everybody. Have a good one.